Hello everyone, this is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all zodiac signs, and I'll tap into your partner's current feelings for you and what to expect from them till the end of this week or 18th of April you can say. So we will start with Aries. So Aries, your partner's current feelings for you is, and then we will see their what to expect from them, okay? What action they will take towards you by the end of this week. So yes, I'll give you the timestamp in the description box and in the comment box. Please check it out there. Okay. So Aries, your partner's current feelings for you is Eight of Swords. I feel like your partner is not talking to you, Aries, maybe, or they have pulled their walls up and they are showing that they are not interested in you, or they are feeling, they have been emotionally very guarded, and they are not letting you know that they love you or they want something from you, or this relationship right now is in a halt, okay, HALT, halt. I don't know how you guys pronunciate it. So it is like your partner is very depressed now. They are feeling like they are in some kind of mental jail and they're not able to see the picture clearly. There is some kind of conflict going on between you guys, and this person is feeling like they are in some kind of mental jail and they are not, able to see anything clearly with you. Okay, let's clarify this. Four of Wands, okay. So they are stressing over you a lot, Aries, and what they want to create is a stable life. They want to create a very stable life with you, a stable relationship with you. But right now, their current feeling is that they are stepping back, maybe, or they are not revealing their true feelings to you, or they are feeling like messed up and they have their walls up and they're not revealing what they're truly feeling to you. But deep inside, they feel like you are the one for them and they want a stable and happy relationship with you. They want to give you some kind of proposal, or they want to, communicate with you that they want a stable and beautiful relationship with you. What to expect from them till 18th of April? What to expect from them? Two of Pentacles. See, I feel like this person is very confused, and I feel what to expect from them by the end of this week is that they will come to you, but they are not going to reveal anything to you, or they are not going to tell you that what they are thinking inside and what their intentions are for you, because this person seems to be very confused. I told you, and this person is juggling between two situations, or maybe two parties, or two people, I don't know. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles here. Yes. Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Nine of Wands. See, this person is confused whether to talk to you, or whether to talk to you, or whether to, let you go. So basically, this person is very guarded. They are very hurt. They are very depressed without you. And but at the same time, they are not ready to reveal it to you, or they are not ready to communicate with you. I don't think this person is going to come to you by the end of April. And if they are coming, they are just talking to you like hi, hello, and normal things. I don't think this person is revealing much about their feelings to you. Okay, Aries, so your person is deeply hurt and saddened. I don't know what happened between you guys. This person is emotionally off, emotionally acting weird, emotionally acting cold and off from you. Okay, maybe they took a break from you and they are now reviewing everything about this relationship, and they are maybe not sure about this relationship as of now. So let's see what the universe has for you till the 18th of April. Okay. Give me one more shuffle. Hand of Cards. Take a chance, risk being strategic options, not showing hand gambling. So this is kind of the universe is telling you to take the risk with this particular person. Okay, Aries. I feel like this person is the right person for you for the time being. I don't know about the uh, like distant future, but right now I feel like universe wants you to stick with this person and try to heal, try to help this person to heal in this situation, because I feel like your person is very depressed and sad right now, and although they want a stable and happy relationship with you, but they are hurt, somehow, and they are in a very very confused state of mind. Okay, so moving on to Taurus. Let's see, Taurus, your partner's current feelings for you. Your partner's current feelings for you, Taurus. It's very hot in Mumbai nowadays. Yeah, I don't know. Let me give it one more shuffle. I feel like giving it one more shuffle, Taurus, to be very honest. The Hermit. I feel like, Taurus, your partner is not revealing too much to you. I feel like they are busy working on themselves, or they are right now they are not in the mood of commitment, or right now they are feeling detached from you, and they're acting weird because they feel like this is not the right time to act upon this relationship, or to take this relationship to next level, or commit or to a commitment level. So basically, I feel like your person is kind of detached from you, and they are kind of behaving weird and cold and off, and you can sense it. If they are not doing it, you can sense it. Okay, you can sense the detachment. Why is the Hermit card here? Let's clarify. Yes. So this is Three of Pentacles. The Hermit is clarified by the Three of Pentacles. This has two meanings. Either they have third party that they are giving their time to, and that they are giving their energy to. So either they have that third party, or let me complete. Okay, so or they want to have a teamwork view, to put they are backing off right now just because they want to put in the effort. They are ready to put in the teamwork with you. They want this relationship to work out. That is why right now they're stepping back. But I feel like this person feels a great need to work with you, a great need to work this relationship out. So basically, right now they are stepping back just to come back and work on this relationship. They want to put in the energy, and they want to put in the work and effort with you. Okay, this is their feelings for you, and the action from their side. What to expect from them till the end of this week, till 18th of April. Let's see. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune, I feel like it's in reverse actually. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse is telling me that this person is not coming around by the 18th of April. I don't feel like this person is revealing too much to you. You guys might be talking to each other, but I don't feel like this person is going to say I love you to you, or going to, give you some kind of proposal or commitment. So let's clarify Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Page of Pentacles. Again, I feel like this person is backing off because they want to give you some solid offer. They want to offer you something, but that something is not enough for you, Taurus. I think they want to offer you something like a friendship offer, maybe a communication offer, a normal offer to stay together till we find someone better. I don't know what this is, but I feel like this person is coming towards you. You guys are talking to each other, but this person is not. Right now in the commitment mode. Right now they are not ready to have the commitment or the communication required for the commitment. Okay, let's pull the card from this love oracle deck. See, Taurus, we are very very strong people, and we know how to handle emotions. So once we are done with somebody or something, we are done. So right now I feel like you should be patient. Okay, patience is the virtue here. Let's be a little patient about this thing. Don't rush into anything just because right now it is not working out. I feel like eventually it will. So keep your mind open and keep manifesting your beautiful person, your soulmate. And yeah, by the end of this week. The Phoenix, okay? New phase, rekindle, renew, transformation, growth, change mind. The Phoenix. I feel like your person and you will have transformation in this relationship, and rekindling feature is also here. So there will be a new phase with this particular person till the 18th of April. There will be a new chapter opening up. I feel like the friendship is developing now. The friendship was not there. So now the friendship is developing between you guys. Okay, Taurus. So don't jump into this thing like you want commitment as of now. Right now only Start with the friendship thing, okay? No matter how long the relationship took to come to this phase, let's start with the friendship, okay? I'm doing continuous reading from past 2 3 days, and I'm feeling a blockage. I don't know why. So bear with me a little bit, okay? Thank you so much. So moving on to Gemini. Gemini, your partner's current feelings for you, Gemini. Queen of Pentacles, wow. Your partner is feeling like your partner is seeing you in a different light now, Gemini. I feel like your person is feeling like you are the one for them. You are a very solid person, stable person, grounded, down to earth, and you could be the mother or father of their child, and they are seeing you as a very very beautiful and dependable person. They feel for you is respect. What they feel for you is respect, okay? Queen of Pentacles, let's and I feel like they can sense that you are trying to offer them some kind of solid relationship, okay, or offer or some kind of proposal. The Queen of Pentacles, let's clarify, is clarified by the Lovers. Gemini, this is your card only. I feel like you could be dealing with a Taurus or some kind of some earth sign. So basically, I feel like your partner feels you are a very very beautiful, charming person, and they want to offer you a very very beautiful, solid relationship. This is kind of they are feeling that they should take some kind of decision towards you, okay, Gemini, because the Lovers is also a decision card for me. So I feel like your person wants to offer you something stable. They feel like you are the right person for them. They are heavily attracted to you, Gemini, very very attracted to you, and they respect you a lot, okay? So what to expect from this person till the end of this week, till 18th of April? So what to expect from this person, Gemini? Four of Wands. See, I told you. A relationship offer is coming towards you, Gemini. Be prepared for that. Or if it is not a relationship offer, it could be a celebrating offer. You might be celebrating something with your partner. Might be anniversary or something, or might be your birthday or something. But they are going to invite you to some party or some sort of function that will make you guys more into each other, okay? But I feel like most of the time I feel like this is solid offer, loving offer coming towards you, commitment offer or marriage offer coming towards you, okay? Let's clarify the Four of Wands. The Hermit, okay. I feel like this person is coming in with this kind of marriage or marriage proposal or love proposal after analyzing so much, after you know after taking a lot of silent time from you, maybe a break from you. They took a break from you, Gemini, in the past, in the recent past. Now they are ready to offer you something stable. Now something stable is coming towards you by the end of this week. Marriage proposal or love proposal is coming towards you by the end of this week. I'm so happy for you, Gemini. God bless you guys. So let's see. Let's pull a card for Gemini from Love Oracle deck. Okay. This is healthy choices. Making healthy choices in love and in life, self love, self care, being happier. So, by the end of this week, you will be in this self loving, self care, and being happier phase. You are going to make healthy choices in your life, okay, regarding relationships, particularly. Okay, Gemini. So, God bless you. So, moving on to Cancer. Cancers. Your partner's current feelings for you, Cancer. Let's see how your partner is feeling for you. How your partner is feeling for you. Cancer. Ace of Wands, wow, a new love is coming towards you. A very, very passionate new love offer is coming towards you. A new beginning in love is coming towards you. If this is not the new person, it could be a new person. For most of the people, Cancerians, it is a new person. If it is not the new person, there is somebody from the previous relationship is coming to you, but the energy will feel very new, brand new, and very, very passionate, intense chemistry between you guys. and this relationship will make you very very happy. This so your person right now is ready to start a brand new relationship with you, based on their intense chemistry with you, and they are now feeling very very passionate about you. This is kind of new love offer coming from a person. Okay, they are feeling very very passionate and loving towards you. It's more about physical passion rather than love, I can see that. So let's clarify the Ace of Wands. So the Ace of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. I feel like your person is feeling a lot of passion, a lot of intense chemistry towards you. This is new person coming in your life. Somebody new is coming to you, and they are offering you something very very beautiful. And this person wants to offer you something solid. I feel like this person wants to offer you a commitment or a proposal, but right now they are holding back as of now because Ace of Pentacles is in reverse. So, yes, somebody new is coming to your life with lots of passion and lots of intense chemistry between you, carrying lots of intense chemistry for you, or intense attraction, physical attraction for you. Okay, what to expect from them till the end of this week? Queen of Swords. Yeah, somebody's very clear about their thoughts. They are going to reveal it to you, Cancer, and they are going to tell you exactly what they are feeling. Why the Queen of Swords is here? Let's clarify. I feel like Queen of Swords is somebody who is very very blunt and honest, and if they want something in their life, they just want something in their life. Okay, so they are very very open and honest. They are not going to hide their feelings from you or play mind games or anything. They could be a little manipulative at times, but they are like that because they want what they want. Okay, so Queen of Swords is clarified by Two of Wands. I feel like this person waited for you for a long time, or they gave you some kind of proposal in the past as well. But I feel like you turned your back on that. Now they waited for a long time. Now they're coming for an open and honest communication with you, Cancer. I feel like this person or whosoever this is, new or old, this person is coming for you, coming to clarify that, to clear the air with you, and this will give both of you a sense of relief and happiness. Okay, so let's pull one card from the love oracle deck for you guys. We are on Cancer, right? Cancer. The Phoenix. New phase, rekindle, renew, transformation. Okay. Okay, Cancerians, till the 18th of April, you will be rekindling with somebody. There is this transformation coming in, growth coming in, changed mind. Okay, this is what is happening for you guys. So Cancer, somebody is coming with a love offer, with a solid love offer, and they are very clear what they want from you. I feel like after waiting for so long, they are finally coming in and telling you the truth. Okay, about their feelings, about their thinking for you. Okay, we are done with Cancer. Now Leo. Leo, your partner's current feelings for you, Leo. Okay, let's take this. The Tower. I feel like you guys are breaking up. Leo, I feel like you guys broke up recently, or you guys are separating right now. Whatever it is, this Tower is telling me that this relationship is over. I feel like this, and this relationship is no longer the same as it used to be. I feel like there's some kind of separation coming in for you. This person, whosoever this person is, Leo, they are feeling distant. They are feeling like this relationship is over. They are feeling like there's nothing left in this relationship with you. Okay, the Tower is clarified by, yeah, the Eight of Swords. I feel like this person is, they didn't want to do it, but it happened naturally. I feel like your person is separated with you, and they are feeling that now there's nothing left in this relationship because they are feeling in the mental jail. Whenever they are thinking about you or this relationship, they feel like they are in some kind of mental jail. They are in a conflict, and they are not able to see clearly what they want from you. So right now I feel like this person is behaving maybe odd with you or distant with you, or you could be behaving like that with them. Okay, so what to expect from this person till the end of this week? Two of Pentacles. Very confused. Very confused. I don't feel like they're coming towards you. And if they're coming towards you, they are very confused about you, or very confused about this relationship in particular. I don't feel like they are taking any kind of action towards you. Till 18th of April, let's clarify the Two of Pentacles, why they are so confused. The World, yes, because I feel like they know that this relationship is over and they are confused whether they should talk to you or not, whether they should, wait for you or not. What should they do? They are very confused. I don't feel like they are coming to you or talking to you about this particular thing. I feel like you guys will be in a friendship zone or friend zone, and but this relationship is over from their side, to be very honest, Leo, and from your side as well. I can see like you can sense the separation, you can sense the distance, you can sense that there's something that is not working out for you, Leos. Okay, let's see what the love oracle deck is guiding you for. Okay, yeah, it's a very hurtful situation, Leos, but to be very honest, everything happens for a good reason. You will get someone very beautiful and better than this person, if this is what you guys are feeling right now. Okay, passion. I feel like, Leo, you guys are separating from each other. You guys broke up, or you guys are breaking up. I don't know, or the distance is like that. But you guys will have a very intense chemistry, passion. So intense chemistry, like each other, equally having fun. Might be there's somebody new coming in, and you guys will have this feeling with that new person. Okay, by the end of this week, by the end of that, by 18th of April. Okay. So Leo, this is all about you, your person's feeling, and what to expect from that. Let's move forward towards Virgo. Virgo, what your partner's current feelings for you? Virgo. Queen of Wands, wow. Whosoever your partner is, they are wearing their heart on their sleeves, and they are ready to come towards you and commit to you. And this is kind of, Queen of Wands is very passionate and intense energy. And this is kind of physical pull towards you, Virgo. They are feeling the physical pull towards you. They are feeling like, yes, I want this person in my life. I want my Virgo. I love this person. I am no more ready to live without this person. So whatever it is, this queen is very passionate, and this person is telling you maybe openly that they love you very much, and they want a very beautiful and intense and passionate relationship with you. Whenever the Queen of Wands come, I feel like some kind of magic is also used here, because there's a black cat here. There's a painting there that seems like kind of magical, and occult science is used. So whatever, whosoever this person is, they are very passionate about you, and they love you a lot, and they feel a very intense chemistry with you. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands. The Empress, yes. The Queen of Wands and the Empress. I feel like this person feels like they want to get you pregnant if you're a female, or they want to be the father. They want to be, your spouse. Okay, because the Empress is the card of a spouse, or creativity, or fertility, or whatever you take it as. So the right now they are in this zone of, I love my Virgo very much, I want this person in my life, I want to get them pregnant, and I want to have a family with them. Okay, so Virgo, what to expect from them by the end of this week? Three, Four of Swords. Although they feel very intense chemistry, very intense sexual desire, very intense feelings for you, they are, I feel like they are going to be silent. By the end of this week, I don't feel like they are coming towards you and telling you all this. They are analyzing, they are stepping back just for the time being, because I feel like they are hurt. Somewhat they are hurt, and they are ready to, trying to have a new beginning with you. Let's clarify the Four of Swords. Why this person is behaving like this? The Emperor, right? So I feel like this person is kind of feeling like you don't carry the same feelings for them. That is why they are stepping back, or maybe you are telling them just to stop and just to, take a break, or just to give them some space or time or whatever. Because I feel like the Emperor is a very adamant energy, loyal energy, happy energy, fatherly figure. not happy in a very happy way. It is kind of stability, stability and some kind of reality coming in your life. But this person is very very adamant. If they put their eyes on something or put their hand on something, they want that in their life. So basically, I feel like this person feels. This person is taking a break from this chain, taking a break from this these emotions. Whosoever this person is, they feel for you very very deeply, and they feel the passion, they feel the chemistry. And but I feel like they are not coming in and telling you all this by the end of this week. Eventually they will, but right now I don't feel like they're coming in and telling you something. So Virgo, let's pull one card from the love oracle deck for you guys. Virgo. The snake. Oh, competition, clever, malicious. Look over your shoulder. The other woman maybe. So Virgo, this is your card. I feel like this person is might be obsessed with you, and that is why you are like feeling like they are some kind of malicious or some kind of toxic. Or it could also be possible because these are two females. So it could also be possible that this person is dealing with two people at the same time. Virgo, I feel like that as well. So basically, I feel like the Emperor is also here, the Empress is also here. They want to marry you, they want to have a life with you. But it could also be possible they are dealing with two people at the same time, and that is why they are taking a step back. Although they are feeling a very intense and you know deep chemistry with you, deep chemistry with you, but still they are holding back. I don't feel like they are coming towards you by the end of this week. Okay, so Virgo, moving on to Libra. Libra, your partner's current feelings for you, Libra. Mhm. Page of Cups. Okay. I feel like your partner is developing new feelings for you, new beautiful loving feelings for you. I feel like this person was off in the past. This person was not revealing that they love you in the past, but now they are developing beautiful feelings for you. I feel like they have some kind of good news to tell you. Okay, Libra. So Page of Cups, let's clarify the Page of Cups. This is a very beautiful energy. This is childlike energy. This is immature energy. They are developing feelings. They have a good news to tell you. Uh, but this is kind of immature love right now. This is just like developing something with time. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Cups. Yeah, Page of Wands. I feel like either you are dealing with two people at the same time, or they are feeling, or this person is dealing with two people at the same time. With one they have feelings, and with one they have intense chemistry, maybe physical chemistry. I don't know what that is. Or if not, I feel like your person is ready for a brand new start. They are developing feelings for you, love feelings for you, and at the same time they are feeling a very very strong physical pull towards you. Okay, this is what is happening, Libra. So, what to expect from your person till end of this week or till 18th of April? Oh, the Hierophant. So, a love offer, a solid commitment offer is coming towards you, Libra. A solid marriage offer is coming towards you by the end of this week. Somebody is going to propose you for marriage. Okay, nice. Be prepared for that. Okay, so the Hierophant. Let's clarify the Hierophant. This is might be a Taurus you are connecting with. Okay. So I feel like this person was in kind of mental jail and trauma or some kind of sadness or depression. But now they are feeling like yes, whatever happened in the past, just leave it behind. And now I'm ready to have a fresh new start with Libra. I want to have a family with Libra, and I just want Libra in my life. That is why they are coming in with a solid love offer towards you. Although I feel like they are developing new feelings for you, new passionate chemistry for you, but I feel like this person is coming in with a solid marriage offer after lots of introspection and after lots of thinking about you. Nice, Libra. So let's pull one card for Libra from the love oracle deck. Healing heart, healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. So this is what you are doing: healing from a heartache or sadness, or freedom from a toxic relationship. You might felt like tied down to somebody or something. Now you are feeling better, and now you are healing from that heartbreak if you got through this. Okay. Now new intense chemistry is coming towards you. New love is coming towards you, Libra. Congrats. Okay. New feelings are developing for you in somebody's heart. So Scorpio, moving on to Scorpio, let's see what Scorpio's partner is feeling for them. Scorpio's partner is feeling for them. Three of Wands. Scorpio, I feel like your partners turned their back on you and they are waiting on you very, very heavily. I feel like there was some kind of conflict or there was some kind of dispute or fight, and your partner feels like you are no longer, in their life, and they're turning their back towards this relationship in particular. They are feeling like left out, maybe. They're waiting only for something to happen. Okay, Scorpio, they are waiting for you, or maybe they are waiting for your arrival, maybe they are waiting for your call or text or something to happen first. I feel like your partner is not talking to you in that manner. Let's clarify the three of wands. Three of wands is clarified by the page of wands. So they turn their back on you, but now they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you, to start a brand new communication with you. I feel like Scorpio, the long-awaited message or text will arrive from their side. They want to communicate with you. This is clear, okay? And they are waiting for your call, or they are waiting for your text very, very badly. But I feel like they are going to communicate with you. They are going to text you first. I feel like that. Okay, let's see what to expect from them. Okay, this is the ten of wands. Wands, lots of wands is there. So they are very, very attractive to you. They are very, very connected to you. So I feel like this person is burdened, feeling burdened. They are feeling like they are under so much pressure, or they are not able to understand which way to go, whether to talk to you or whether to leave this situation. But to be very honest, ten of wands is telling me 10, 1 plus 0 is 1. In 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, so this is a brand new beginning from their side. Okay, so let's clarify the 10 of wands. Why are they feeling like this? King of cups. Okay, they are in love with you, Scorpio. They are in love with you. Your partner is in love with you, and they are going to communicate with you, and they are going to tell you this, that they love you by the end of this week. Okay, they want to offer you something, a brand new start with this person, because they're missing you a lot. I feel like this person is waiting on you very badly, and they love you very, very much, and that's why they are feeling like they are in under some kind of pressure to tell you this or to talk to you. They are ready for a brand new beginning. Let's pull one card for you guys. Cupid's arrow. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting. Okay, Scorpio, this is what is happening for you guys. I told you this person loves you, and there is a solid love offer coming towards you. A solid I love you, or a solid I want to be with you coming towards you, Scorpio. Okay, this is what is happening with you guys. So let's move on to Aquarius. I think, yeah, Aquarius. Your partner's current feelings for you, Aquarius. Your partner's current feelings for you. Okay. The Emperor. Okay, Aquarius, your person is ready for your person is feeling like you are somewhat very, very adamant. You are someone who is royal, who is dependable, who is good, but you are somewhat a angry person, or you are somewhat a person who lives by their own rules. It is your way or just the highway. So it is kind of this feeling, Aquarius. Your person is feeling like you are acting very, very weird and cold towards them, and you have made your mind for something, Aquarius, and you are not ready to change that mindset. Okay, so Emperor is clarified by the Six of Pentacles. So I feel like your person feels like there should be equal give and take in this relationship. This is not a one-sided relationship. I feel like your person feels like this is a one-sided relationship. They are putting in all the efforts and energy, and you are not doing anything. So that is why this person is seeking maybe help from outside. Maybe they are talking to your friends or telling them that they should tell you that you should release this controlling nature of yours and be ready to have a equal give and take in relationship. Okay, so what to expect from them? Okay, waiting. I don't think this person is coming towards you, Aquarius, and telling you something or saying you something, because I feel like this person is waiting on you to come, go to them and talk to them. Okay, okay, okay. So Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Ten of Cups. They are waiting for that message. They are waiting for that communication with you, Aquarius. They are waiting for this happily ever after offer from you. To be very honest, they feel like you should be the one who should go to them and talk to them. You should be the one who should, tell them that that you love them and you want to have a equal give and take, and you want to have a happy family with them. Maybe they are waiting for the commitment thing. Okay, very badly, very heavily they are waiting on you for the commitment thing, Aquarius. Let's pull one card for Aquarius from the love oracle deck. Wedding rings over. Union, wedding, marriage, soul connection, everlasting promise. I feel like Aquarius, this person is ready for all this wedding thing, commitment thing, but I feel like your person is just waiting on you to do that. I don't feel like you are doing that, Aquarius, but your person is waiting on you for this thing to happen. Okay, Aquarius. So let's move on to Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Your partner's current feelings for you, Sagittarius. Your partner's current feelings for you. Eight of swords. Sagittarius, I feel like your person is very guarded up and they are acting very cold and detached from you. They are not ready to commit to you. They are not ready for this relationship to evolve as of now, because they are feeling like they are in some kind of conflict or mental jail. They are not able to come out of this conflict or this mental trauma they are going through. Maybe they're going through a hell lot of depression in their life, Sagittarius, and that is why they are just backing off as of now, because they're not able to see clearly the bigger picture of this relationship, the future of this relationship. Okay, that is what they are feeling towards you. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords. The Sun in reverse. Yes, I feel like this person is feeling loss of energy, loss of hope. They are feeling like there's nothing left in this relationship that should be, uh, you know. Uh, that should be mended, or that should be cleared out. So basically I feel like this person is taking a break from you, maybe, or they are not maybe communicating with you, because they feel like lack of enthusiasm in this relationship, lack of maybe trust, or lack of energy to put in this relationship as of now till the 18th of April. What to expect from them till 18th of April? Three of Pentacles is, let's clarify, Three of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. Okay. By the end of this week, I feel like your person is coming in to put in the effort, to put in the energy. Right now, their current feeling is that they are lacking hope, they are lacking faith, they are lacking confidence about this particular relationship. But by the end of this week, I feel like this person is coming in towards you and giving you a solid love offer and telling you that they love you, because they will be ready to put in the effort with you, put in the teamwork with you, put in the energy with you by the end of this week, by the 18th of April. Okay, so let's pull one card for you guys, Sagittarius. Sometimes your pentacles represent some third party situation. That is why we got to clarify if actually this is a third party situation, but I don't feel like there is some third party situation here, Sagittarius. It is just that they are ready to put in the effort, they are ready to put in the teamwork to be with you and to tell you that they love you and they want you in their life. They will be in a very clear state of mind by the end of this week. Okay, so let's see what the love oracle deck is telling me. The dragonfly. Be light-hearted, finding out things coming to light, adapt, change here. Be light-hearted, Sagittarius. This is what is coming for you guys. Okay, fine. So Sagittarius, this is your person's feelings for you and what to expect from them. Okay. So moving on to Capricorn. Capricorn. Capricorn, your person's current feelings for you, your partner's current feelings for you, your partner's current feelings for you. Eight of Wands. I feel like your partner wants to communicate with you. They want back and forth communication. They feel the urge to communicate with you. There is something that is missing in this relationship according to them. So they want to have a conversation with you, open and honest, and they want to tell you exactly what they are feeling. Okay, why is this Eight of Wands here? They are like feeling the urge to communicate with you. There is lack of communication. Maybe there is lack of talking between you guys. Okay. Okay, so the Eight of Wands is clarified by the Page of Cups. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel like your partner wants to tell you that they are developing feelings for you, beautiful feelings for you, that they have started liking you more than before, or maybe they have some kind of news to share with you. So whatever it is, your person is feeling the urge to communicate with you, to have an open and honest communication, and to tell you that they are in this zone of you, like loving you more, or they have some good news to tell you. Okay, they are developing good feelings for you, beautiful feelings for you, and they want to tell you that this, and they want to talk to you about this, I think, Capricorn. Okay, so what to expect from them till the end of this week? Ten of Swords. I feel like your partner is feeling like stabbed in the back, Capricorn. They are feeling like the worst was over. The worst is over. The Ten of Swords for me is not a bad card. It is kind of ending something very very painful and starting a new thing. So I feel like your person is starting a conversation with you. Your person is feeling like, I feel like in the past they felt like they were stabbed in the back, and people were useless and people were not as loving as they should be. But now they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you, to have a brand new relationship with you. The Ten of Swords. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Swords. So Capricorn, I feel like this person is now very very clear about their feelings, about their intentions towards you. Now they are feeling the worst is over. Maybe they were in their head about you a lot, and now they are clear what they want from you, and now they are coming towards you with an open and honest communication. And expect a lot of back and forth communication from this person, and a lot of ifs and buts and this and that coming towards you, because the Queen of Swords is the energy of a very very blunt person. They are open and honest and blunt, and they are not going to hide anything from you. They are just going to talk to you openly and honestly. So this is what you can expect from now till the end of this week. Okay, so one card from the Love Oracle deck for you guys, Capricorn. Let's see. I hope I have done all the signs. Pisces is left. Okay, I'll do Pisces. Photograph. Looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. Capricorn, your person is missing you big time, and that is why maybe they are ready to have this communication, and that is why they are now ready to communicate with you back and forth. Lots of communication, lots of things coming in towards you. Okay, Capricorn, let's move on to Pisces. Pisces, your partner's current feelings for you, Pisces. Let's see till the end of 18, till the end of this week, till 18th of April. Justice. Pisces, I feel like you might be dealing with a Libra. Okay, so your partner is ready to do the justice with in this relationship with you. I feel like your partner is feeling like now they are ready to have equal give and take in this relationship. Now they are ready to start a fresh relationship with you, because I feel like this person is feeling that they were doing injustice with you, or injustice with their own feelings. Now they are ready to face the truth. Okay, the justice is clarified by Ace of Wands. See, I feel like universe is serving the justice with you. With the Ace of Wands, there will be a brand new beginning in this relationship, or somebody new is coming to your life, Pisces. If this is not the old person, the universe is doing justice with you, and this brand new beginning is coming towards you. Brand new person is coming towards with lots of passion, with lots of intense chemistry, and this person will open up to you, and this person will reveal their true feelings to you. Okay, if this is somebody Maybe this is somebody working in your office environment. I feel like that, I don't know why, but I felt like that. Okay, so what to expect from this person till the end of this week? Communication, lots of communication, back and forth communication coming towards you, Pisces. Lots of it. So it will be, maybe you guys will catch up for a coffee. Maybe you guys will go on a date, and then you guys will have a open and honest communication for this relationship, or for this particular thing. So let's clarify the Eight of Wands. Three cards came out of nowhere. Okay. King of Pentacles, yes. This person wants to offer you something very, very solid. This person wants to offer you commitment, and they are going to communicate it to you, Pisces. They are going to tell it to you that they want a brand new start. They want a stable life with you. They want to offer you a very, very beautiful relationship. Okay, so that is what is coming towards you. So be ready for lots of communication for you, and lots of happiness coming towards you, Capricorn. I hope it will make you feel good. Okay, I feel like you were waiting for this thing to happen for a very long time. Now this thing is happening, and that is making you happy, Pisces. So let's pull one card for you guys from the Love Oracle deck. Pisces. Clock. Need time, takes time, in time cycles, time to heal, progress. Okay. I feel like if you were with somebody and they are not giving you the time and energy, now they are going to do it. If this is a past person, but I strongly feel there's somebody new coming in towards you, Pisces, and they are going to offer you something very, very solid, maybe a marriage proposal, and that is going to make you very, very happy. Okay, so God bless you. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to me, and I will put the timestamp in the comment section and in the description box. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section if I can improve anything in my readings that will help you guys out. Okay, thank you. Namaste.